All right, what's going on, traders? Want to go ahead and drop in, show you guys some stuff that we got going on here. You see this big drop on my screen right now. This is that NZD JPY play that just absolutely crushed it for us and dropped down. I'm out right now. I got breakfast upstairs in the microwave. A girl just hit me. Anyways, 638. That's what we got on this one. I'm closing this out right now. Just so you guys are aware. Close out 638%. Today is the 7th. That's it. And that's that. So this is a good example of, taking it out, getting done before it hits the target that you had in mind. That's fine, man. It's not always about getting every single penny out of the trade. And maybe I'll evolve one day and say, well, I don't feel that way anymore. Maybe I'll say I want to let my winners run. I don't know. For right now, this is how we're going to play this. And I'm happy to take 638 off of one trade. So I'm going to look at the daily. It looks like it's still red, so there might be room to keep moving down. 4 hour looks like it's kind of hesitating. 1 hour looks like it's just hesitating, stagnating right there. This is one of those situations where I'll just take it. I got, enough money, enough meat on that bone to be satisfied. So I'll take that and keep moving. All right, let's go back and look at some of these other pairs, see what's going on. This move ended up just, kind of chilling right there sideways. We talked about this. I did not take it. It was an opportunity to bounce off of a trend line as well as an extended fib. And so really, and honestly and truly, it's a no-brainer. It should have been a no-brainer. For whatever reason, I didn't end up taking it. But this is definitely a play. It's definitely something where you can, make some solid money there. Your stop loss in this situation, I've preached about this actually. Your stop loss is so far away, and your risk reward ratio is just, the potential for the move. Will you risk 1%? I will. In most situations like this, I will. But most of the time, I am trying to play a pyramid reversal. But when it's not there, you're left with this type of situation, and maybe you can just play a reversal there. I hope that makes sense. I'm not sure. Hit me in the comments if it doesn't. I'll expand on that. NZD USD kind of fell off of a cliff. And this is one of those situations where, I could have paid attention to the key level and dropped down. I didn't. That's my bad. Kind of could have saw that coming. But at the same time, you don't get them all. That's just kind of how this trading stuff goes. And it just dropped down. So this is the same play, the NZD JPY, except for I had all this to kind of prep me and get me ready for it versus this up and down situation and then sideways. Maybe I could have played that down. It's the same move though, guys. So this is the same move as this USD move, in my opinion. The one looks like it moved a little bit more. Yeah, well, they're about the same. About the same as far as movement goes. I caught the JPY instead of NZD. That's fine. USD. That's fine. I'll take it. Was this foreseeable? Could I have maybe taken this trade and won? Yeah, I probably could have from right here. I didn't though. So. Same thing on CHF, and this is why I like playing like the pair correlation game and really getting a handle on that. It looks like we got out yesterday. Yeah, we closed out yesterday. There was a play here. These two. Yeah. 4-6. I got out of these on the 6th long position, so that was actually a great trade to get out before this just dropped like crazy. If I was a little bit more aware, I probably could have jumped on the other side of this and just played all 3 of these NZD pairs. That's the next level. That's the hypothetical. That's the, all right, now I'm really, really trading well, and I'm catching all this stuff, you know. But for now, I'll settle for my 638. Whatever. We keep it moving. Yeah, I'm out of this right now. It's time to get out on this one. It dropped down pretty significantly. Let me see. 2-4. That's just how that goes, man. Get out right here. It's fine. It's a profit. It's not as big of a profit as this move. If we would have caught it way down here, we got almost 4%. It's fine. Again, man, this is just all about being profitable, analyzing correctly, being sharp, being able to play these games. So this is out. I'm out on this one. This 3rd position is still running. 3rd position closed yesterday. One. So I caught an L here. It's fine. You gotta remember that I made 14% on these. So this stuff is crazy, man. Yeah, I'm gonna lose sometimes, but compared to my wins, it's almost at a position. I hate to say like who cares, but it's almost that level. It's like, man, I'm not worried about that at all. We lost both on this. Probably could have played this one down, but we didn't. And this is right off of there. Yeah. I like to identify these plays, even though we didn't take that one. And it would have looked like this. Yeah. That's kind of how this one would go if you really wanted to play it and drop it down. It look something like that. Yeah. And if we did get into this, right, we didn't, but if we would have gotten into that, we're out right now. At 227. So this is a play on 2.5. I'm gonna write that in just so we have it. There's a 227. Yeah, that's how this looks. I don't really, so I'm going to get away next week for sure from counting trades that we didn't trigger real time. I'm going to really like hone in on that because that's kind of where it's at now. We're at that point to where it's like, okay, we can see the trade. We saw 40% last week. Out of that 40%, can we get into, I don't know, a quarter of those plays and make 10% each week by being at the right place, right time, setting the trap if we're not at the right place, right time, live entry stuff, whole 9 yards, everything, man. So that's how this is going to evolve. So y'all just be ready for that. Yeah, that's all I got to say on that one. This is definitely a play. I don't know how. So the reason that I want to shape up the position still and, maybe not count them is, yeah, I'll still do that. That's exactly how I'll do this. Is you still get a pulse for the market. You got to keep your finger on the market and understand what's happening at any given time, and be able to jump in and out of positions if you need to. So a situation like this, yeah, we're going down. I would ride this out. Maybe we get a 1% loss there, or we actually end up hitting our profit target. But I wouldn't really bet on dropping this one down too crazy because we got stuff like this going on. This is nuts. And I closed all 3 positions at 8%. Thank God. That was smart to have done that. We missed this one for some reason. But yeah, this is a play as well. It's so crazy whenever you really get into it and you start looking at probabilities and all that stuff. It's like 1, 2, 3 trades, 4 trades, all to drop in right above this 618 fib. And to see that many trades is awesome because it kind of leads to the next phase, which is taking them. Yeah, we definitely had a bounce here. Don't know if that really was foreseeable though. That's a hell of a move. It's a hell of a move. Look how big that is. It's crazy. Yeah, I don't think I was watching it. All right. On to the next.